As we mark African Vaccination Week 2026, we celebrate one of the most powerful and economical transformative tools in the public health. Vaccines save lives and they protect our economies. It is one of the highest return public health investment available to all governments. The evidence is clear. Every dollar invested in immunization is generating up to $40 in economic returns when health and broader social benefits are included. We have our new vision that was approved by African Head of State called Africa Health Security and Sovereignty. And we are guided by the Continental Immunisation Strategy. We want to accelerate the local manufacturing of vaccines to reduce dependency and to implement a continental scorecard that will bring all of these components together. Immunization is not just an expenditure. It is the investment in sovereignty, stability, and growth. Let me call upon our member states to increase domestic financing for immunization, our partners to align beyond country-led priorities and ownership. I know our vaccines protect families. I know, and we all know, our vaccines protect economies. And we know also, by doing that, vaccines will protect our future as Africans. Thank you so much.